It's hard to do that when your hands are cold.
Yeah, I'm brother.
So, as you saw, I was semi-successful at 120 yards. Semi-successful because I hit the target like 2 or 3 times out of maybe 20 rounds. But I'm Brother G's hitting a 308 over there. Whole place is rumbling. So now I got the target. I brought it in 40 yards. And I want to see how fast, how accurately I can hit 5 rounds. I gotta take the sling off because I'm in my coat. I didn't measure it to my coat. So I got my Exotic Dancer clips. Really like this thing. Before I was pushing one in at a time. All right. Ooh, it's getting dark. Sun's going down. Can barely see me. First shot took the target down. See if I can get a steel plate. Well, let me tell you, it's getting dark. Sun's going down. Me and G been out here a minute. So let me say what I can say now. I am fully in love with this baby. She's accurate. She's reliable. I mean, I've put maybe now 200-300 rounds through her. And the only thing I've done, pull a little gun well in there. The baby's sweet. I like her. Boom, bang, bang.